Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Pokeshin back with another YouTube video. Today we are opening up a Japanese 151 booster box. I was upside down with my friends here. Say hi.
Hello.
Hey.
Okay, perfect. Alright, let's open it up. There's 20 packs in here, so I'll open up 5. They'll open up 5. Why did I not cut it perfectly, but still cut it? Which is good. It'll be a fun time. Yeah, like no. I opened it the wrong side. I'll open up another probably 151 booster box tomorrow. I'll definitely do that. And an ETB, maybe Twilight Masquerade or something. I'll open up tomorrow. There we go. Alright guys, so you got right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, guys, which one do you guys want? You want that one? Okay.
I'll take this one. Thank you.
You want that one? Which one? You want that one?
you.
Alright, here.
Thank you.
Yep. Alright, so when any hits, guys, we put up on here, on these things here for display. So here, I'll open up the first one here, and then there you go, guys. Ooh, Moltres and nothing. So here, I'll zoom in so then it's better quality for you guys when I open. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna open up all of mine first, and then we'll get them to open up theirs. Ooh, Snorlax! Japanese, let's go. Here. Alright, guys. Snorlax. Awesome. Let's open up the next one. In one of these packs, you'll get the Master Ball, which I'm hoping it's a Pikachu. That's one that everyone wants. Oh, not. Oh.
Hey!
Let's go.
Wait, did you get the Snorlax that one and that one at the same pack?
Yeah. No, I did. Alright. Let's go. No Master Ball, nothing. Alright, isn't that really showing up much? There we go. Whoa. Ooh, Master Ball Articuno! Woo, let's go!
Yeah.
Awesome! Let's go. Ooh, Master Ball Articuno, guys, let's go. Okay, Andy. Alright. Let's go. Here we go. I'm gonna put these cards all up because we got all of these. Here, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, guys, we got Jackson going up next here. It's better to open it from the bottom, just so you know. It's easier. So we still have one secret rare in this box.
Anytime now.
And I can get you scissors if you want. You need scissors? I got that knife over there. Yeah, there you go. Just make sure they don't cut card. That did not. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Oh, that did not cut it. Alright, come on.
We're all good party people.
Yeah, guys, we'll see you when you get it. So, guys, you got it open.
And we're back.
And we're back. You probably shouldn't leave that open. Just saying.
Hey, Charizard!
Charizard! Let's go! Here's the sleeves. Let's go, guys. We got the Charizard. Charizard EX.
That's heat.
Why won't it? There we go.
Buy one, get one free.
Let's go.
Second pack. Let's get easy pack. Put a like if you like Pokemon.
Put a like if you like Pokemon.
Also put a like if you wanted to open a pack. Jesus.
There we go. Oh, nothing in that one.
Second try.
Hey, let's go.
Ooh,
Ooh,
Charmander.
the Charmander!
Woo!
Oh, let's go. That's a Charmeleon, by the way. But let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go, guys.
Yeah!
Oh yeah. Let's go, guys.
Now we gotta get now, guys. Guess we gotta get now. Charmeleon.
That is Charmeleon.
Oh, now we get Charmander.
Charmander or Charizard. That's what we want. Come on now. We need Charmeleon and Charizard. Charmander and Charizard in these last packs. Come on now. Oh yeah, throw them. Oh, nothing.
Cheeks.
Cheeks.
Last pack magic.
Yeah, come on, guys. We want that Charizard.
This one's for
Give us the
Pokefin.
Charizard or the Pikachu. Wait, no. We
Hit
already
that
got
subscribe button if you want us to get Charizard for the Pokefin himself.
Oh yeah.
Hey,
Hey,
Zapdos.
Zapdos. That's. Alright, let's go, guys. We got the Zapdos right there. Whoop, bang. Perfect. Hey, we got the Charmeleon and the Articuno.
And the Charizard.
And the Charizard.
That EX Charizard tax card.
Oh, and the Charizard. Yeah, it's in that pile.
Charizard's the GOAT.
Alright, Andy, head up on there.
He's probably gonna have more struggles than I do.
Alright, there you go. Yep. Alright. No, you flipped them. Okay, just open it. There you go. Open it from the other way.
Just get it already.
There you go. Yo, hold up, guys. Alright, guys, we got the packs cut open for him. No, don't dump them. Don't dump them. Handy, don't dump them. No, come on.
We'll be right back.
Okay, yeah. And, okay, nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
Yo, hold up, guys. Alright, guys. Sorry about that. We're back. Yep. I'll just push through. And, perfect. Grab it. There you go. Throw him on the floor. Here we go. Oh, Venusaur!
Now you're gonna get.
Hey, now we need the Blastoise, guys, and then we got all three. Let's go. Alright, guys, let's go. Let's go. Nothing in that one. Ooh, Alakazam. Let's go. Let's go, guys. With the Alakazam right there. Oh.
Got this one.
Yeah, why are you whispering?
Yeah, why are you
They
whispering?
can still hear you.
Then didn't
The
open
Pokefin
this.
community can hear you.
Yeah, come on now, bro. The Pokefin community can hear me. Can hear you, not me. Of course they can hear me.
Alright, let's just try to do this. Just pause the video, pause the video.
Yeah, hold up, guys. Okay, guys. After some technical difficulties, they are in his hand, and he got nothing in that entire back. Okay. All right, guys. We got Hunter. The big old.
Save the best for last.
Yup. Oh yeah. Come on now, bro. We need that Charizard. Come on now. We need a secret rare. I don't know. Is it Charmeleon a secret rare? I don't know. Maybe. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh nothing. Oh nothing. Andy, they can also hear you.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh me. Oh my.
Do we need to cut these two?
Yeah, come on. Come on, bro.
We all can't be as good as Pokefin.
Almost got it, guys. Wait a minute. Finally, there we go, boys and girls. Guys,
Again.
guys, I'm telling you, they left no good pulls for me.
Oh damn, he's whipping that thing. Oh,
Yeet.
come on.
Hey!
That's expensive.
It's like $5. Let's go.
Yeah.
I just bought this card, guys. Let's go. I just bought this card and I got it back for sir. Sir, but don't be knocking over the camera, yeah? Hey, Pikachu. Alright, let's go. Eevee.
Clap.
Hey, okay.
Hey.
A-okay. That is
I'm on
A-okay.
vacation. That can be the one.
Last pack magic. They say it.
Yep, they say it.
All you. The Pokefin community. Don't let them down.
Come on.
This pack is a very magical.
We got
They're
this.
very magical.
Alright, here we go.
They had to seal that Charizard
Alright, here.
very well.
Do two from the back. Two from the back. Pack.
Oh, yeah.
Nope, from the back. Alright, there we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah!
Last pack magic. They say it. They say it.
Whoopsie. Let's go. Hey, we got some good hits from that box, eh? Alright, here. Let's go through the hits. We got the Pikachu, Alakazam, Venusaur, Zapdos, I don't know his name, Charizard, and Build Transfer, and a Snorlax. And then we got a Charmeleon, and a Articuno Master Ball. Alright guys, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Woo!